Welcome to the final chapter of our journey through Beijing. Having explored the power of the Forbidden City and the strength of the Great Wall, we now enter a realm of pure imperial elegance, the Summer Palace. Known as Yiheyuan, or the Garden of Nurtured Harmony, this vast estate served as a summer retreat for the Qing dynasty emperors, a peaceful escape from the rigid protocols of the capital. At its heart lies Longevity Hill, a massive man-made landscape built using the very earth excavated to create the surrounding lake. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The Tower of Buddhist Incense stands as the palace's iconic landmark, an architectural marvel built entirely without nails. Its complex wooden joinery represents the peak of classical Chinese engineering and imperial craftsmanship. While it reflects beauty today, the palace is also a symbol of resilience, having been rebuilt twice after periods of national turmoil. Stretching along the northern shore of the lake is the Long Corridor, the longest covered walkway in the world. Every inch is decorated with over 14,000 individual paintings, depicting scenes from Chinese mythology and history. Built so the imperial family could enjoy the lakefront in any weather, it remains a masterpiece of garden design. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Kunming Lake covers 3/4 of the grounds, acting as a liquid mirror for the surrounding hills and architecture. Nearby sits the Marble Boat, a stone structure commissioned by Empress Dowager Cixi as a symbol of the dynasty's permanence. Rebuilt with funds intended for the Navy, it stands as a complex reminder of the late Qing dynasty's extravagance. In a more playful corner, Suzhou Street recreates a southern water town where emperors could experience the charm of common life. The Hall of Dispelling Clouds served as the stage for the imperial family's grandest celebrations and birthday rituals. Spanning the lake is the 17-arch bridge, famous for its 544 uniquely carved stone lions. During the winter solstice, the setting sun aligns perfectly to illuminate every arch in a spectacular golden glow. The bronze ox stands nearby, a mythical guardian placed here centuries ago to quell floods and protect the palace. On the back hill, the Four Great Regions complex brings a touch of Tibetan spiritual architecture to the imperial gardens. Higher still is the Sea of Wisdom, adorned with thousands of miniature Buddhas, a sanctuary for quiet contemplation. Our journey through Beijing has shown us a city of infinite layers, from the absolute power of the palace to the rugged stones of the wall. In the Summer Palace, we find the final piece of the puzzle, the enduring beauty and harmony that define the Chinese spirit. Thank you for walking with us through the heart and soul of Beijing. History is not just in the past, it is all around us. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.